In this video, we'll be talking about how to deposit USDT from Binance to stake. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over and click onto this trade option and click onto this buy option. Now just choosing here USDT, just click onto this search if you can't find it. So in here we have in here this Tether US. Just enter in here the amount that you want. It needs to be between 10 and then click on the select payment method and then just enter in here the actual amount that you want. Now, once you have the actual amount, next thing you need to do is to head over to your actual stake. Click on this wallet icon, click on deposit, and then choose USDT from this list. Copy this deposit address, and once it's been copied, head over next into your Binance again. Now, click onto this takeout option, click onto this withdraw, then choose in here the coin list that you have, enter in here the address, click onto the network, then choose in here the withdrawal amount and click onto this withdraw option in order to withdraw it to there.